Hello and welcome. Assalamu alaikum. Muhammad Zaid with you in the amazing Winter's Dish course, which is the Rishdat Kiskas. And welcome to the introduction video. So how this course is going to be and what you are going to learn. In this course we are first in the first section just introduction, then we are going to switch to cooking, so we will start cooking, and after cooking something, or you can say that in each coffee break you are going to learn new things and just to increase your knowledge. So we are going to take some lessons about the common Arabic phrases or the common Arabic sentences, and also we are going to learn a lot of details about the Arab cultures and also one lecture about the Libyan culture, and I will try my best to provide an external resources. And at the end you are going to know what's the Libyan dish, the Libyan salad. I hope you enjoy and benefit from this course, and I really happy to see you in the class, and I'm going to be really happy to see you in the class. And thank you very much for watching and enjoy the amazing winter's dish, which is the Rishdat Kiskas, and thank you.